Hello. Today, we're building a simple character movement system using JavaScript and the canvas element. Let's start by loading an image onto the canvas. This will be our character. We're going to create X and Y variables to define the character's position, and then manipulate them to control its movement. Let's create a function that will be responsible for cleaning the canvas and draw the image. The clearRect method will clear the canvas from top left to the canvas width and height. We need to create a main loop so the animation, or game, keeps running continuously. Let's call it on the beginning of the script. Now, we will start by adding the variables that will make the animation come to life. Let's set the speed that we want our character move. We will also need to know where the character will be moving. For now, let's just create the move left and move right to keep our logic simple. We will need a function that updates the position of the character. If the movement is set to move left, we will subtract our speed to the X position. If it's right, we will add the speed to the X position. Let's force it to go right. We need to change the value move right to true, and then add the update to our main loop. Good, it's working. Let's put back to false. We will need event listeners to register the keys pressed by the user. Depending on the key, we will assign the corresponding movement. There's a problem because if, for instance, you press right, the variable move right will always be true. So, we need to reset the movement when a user stops pressing. We will do that using the key up. Now it is correct. Let's add a function that does this for us, that stops the movement. We will put the false statements inside that function. Now let's call it inside the key up. Cool. Let's expand this and make the character move up and down. Let's add some code with the bindings for up and down. Cool. We now can move our character up and down. Let's make a small improvement. If we check which key was released, we can simply set the corresponding movement variable to false. This way, the movement will be smoother. Thanks for watching. Don't miss the upcoming videos, where we'll improve this code and continue adding more features. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see covered. See you on the next one.